back to my channel. On this particular tutorial, I'm going to take you through ALX evaluation #1. That is a evaluation quiz on evaluation #1, because we have already covered the evaluation quiz evaluation #0. So on this one, which was done on 13/10/2023, you can see the duration that I take. I take almost 14 minutes to do the whole assignment, and the percentage is 93.33, meaning that I made some mistakes, just like another programmer. So number one, we have what is the value of n after the following code has been executed. So we have the int n is equal to 99, int p is equal to n, and the answer is always 99. Question 1, what does this code print? We have void print int nb, then we have that one. Then as you can see, we have the 4, meaning that's going to reduce, and the answer is supposed to be 4 2, which now the print 4 return 0, and the answer is supposed to be 4 3 2 1. Then question number 2, how many bytes will this statement allocate on 64-bit machine? We have the malloc size of character 10, and the answer is 10. Are there any memory links with the following code on a 64-bit architecture? As you can see, and the answer is 1. The answer is yes, 3 bits of memory were lost. Then number 4, this void, then the float is, it's an array of pointer to a function that takes an int and float as parameter and returns nothing. What is the size of the pointer to an int on 64-bit architecture, which is 8 bits? We have already covered this in the previous quizzes. What is the size of p in this code and 64-bit machine? And the answer is 8 bits. The character is 8 bits. How many bits will this statement allocate to a 64? So we have the one which is 16, and that is supposed to be 16. Given this code to set, and the answer is supposed to be my pointer, y is equal to 98p, y 98 and p is greater than 98. Then how many space would you need to allocate for a list or node with the following structure on a 64-bit machine? And the answer is 20 bits. What is wrong with the following code? And the answer is supposed to be, while it is possible to access arrays, we are not supposed to, as this is not an array anymore. What is the result for this one, which is 12, 3, and the answer is supposed to be 0. Then the next question, what does the macro table size expand to? And it will expand to, as you can see, we have that 7 buff size. It will expand to that 7. That's the answer. The memory space reserved when calling a malloc is the heap. What command can be used to leave the sample stored in a static library? And the answer is you're supposed to select, and this is where the mistake was. We are supposed to select NM and AR. So those are the questions that we are supposed to solve on this particular evaluation #1. So for more details, if you at all you want the explanation part of each and every question, I've done another video of which I've explained on how to arrive to those particular answers. So you don't have to worry about this one. You can go this one as an overview so that you can have an idea, so that as you go to the other part, you'll get the explanation part of the whole project. So thank you for taking time. If you have any question or you need any clarification, just write down the question on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible as I see your comment. So also don't forget to share, like, and also to subscribe. Let's continue supporting the channel. Let's grow together as we continue to learn together. Okay, so think that's all what I have for today. So have a lovely day and a lovely study day.